Meet a new way to pay for what matters most. The Uplift app gives you the freedom to purchase what you want now and pay over time. First, download the app and create an account using your phone number. We'll text you a verification code to complete your sign-up. Then, discover your purchase power. You'll provide some basic information like your mobile number, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. We use this information to verify your identity and determine your purchase power. Uplift's purchase power tells you just how much we can offer you through the Uplift app to spend and pay back over time. Finally, shop. Using the Uplift app, you can shop at hundreds of your favorite stores. Simply shop for the items you want, and when you're ready to check out, select Pay with Uplift. You can choose the installment plan that works best for you. Then we'll issue you a virtual card. Some plans could include interest, while others will be interest-free. Simply copy the card information and use it at checkout, just like you would a regular payment card. Complete your purchase and then make easy, surprise-free monthly payments. Go ahead, download the Uplift app in the Play Store or App Store today and start shopping.